Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheese garlic naan at home. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Gradually add 3/4 of a cup of warm water and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Knead the dough for about 7 minutes until it's smooth. Cover it and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. Once your dough has doubled in size, gently punch it down and divide it into 6 to 8 equal portions. Take 1 portion and flatten it into a small disc. Place about 2 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella or your favorite cheese in the center. Carefully bring the edges of the dough together to seal the cheese inside, forming a ball. Then, gently roll each ball into an oval or teardrop shape, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now it's time to cook your naan. Heat a cast iron skillet or a non-stick griddle over medium-high heat until it's very hot. Place 1 naan at a time onto the hot surface. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming and the naan turns golden brown. Once cooked, immediately brush the hot naan with a generous amount of melted garlic butter for that irresistible flavor. To finish, sprinkle your warm cheese garlic naan with some freshly chopped cilantro. This adds a beautiful color and a fresh aroma. Serve your delicious homemade naan immediately with your favorite Indian curry, a cooling raita, or a simple dip. It's perfect as a side or a snack. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.